Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a SharePoint site and list or library, plus Power Automate access. Next, create a new flow and choose the trigger, item created or modified, or a recurrence if you need polling. Once chosen, point the trigger to the exact site URL and list name. Make sure to use the internal list name. You should also verify permissions now so connectors authenticate. Otherwise, the flow will fail at the first run. Once the trigger fires, add the core actions. Get item or get file content for documents and retrieve metadata you need. Use variables and expressions to normalize ID, parse dates, or build folder paths. Expressions reduce later errors. If processing multiple items, add and apply to each and batch actions inside it. For branching logic, use condition or switch to handle status values. Make sure you add appropriate delay or concurrency control to avoid throttling when loops run fast. You finish by adding final actions: update item, move files, or post Teams notifications, then wrap risky steps in a configure run after scope for retries and failure handling. Deploy and run tests with several realistic items to catch edge cases. Once done, monitor the run history and inspect inputs/outputs if something breaks. If a flow fails, first re-authenticate the SharePoint connector and confirm internal list names and paths. Those two fixes resolve most errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.